better late than never. I mean, since ages, I think we have been hearing this, better late than never. So now at this juncture, I think everybody has their own personality. I mean, somebody might have been a very angry personality. So another person, to a certain extent, might be a calm person. Because of certain things, that person might have converted himself or herself into an angry person. And then, of course, we ladies, we do have the times of mood swings here and there, and sometimes too many mood swings we have got a very good excuse, we attribute it to menopause. Okay, I'm going on to the menopausal. Arey yaar, how long you are going to the menopausal thing? Clinically, if you ask the doctor, they'll say the menopause thing will last only for a few, but there are fewer first who just grumble for ages saying that I am undergoing an menopausal state, and whatever we do, we attribute it to this. I get angry because of menopause. I get angry because of my mood swings. I am very impatient because of this. So for every thing, we did not make an excuse. Whatever happens in our life is a temporary thing, and always a time comes in our life where we get an opportunity to correct the mistakes what we have done. See, I was a very angry person, I was such an angry person, like simple things I used to blast, and I used to burst, and I used to create a scene, I used to shout and shriek. But after a certain things, I realized that when you're shouting and shrieking and screaming, it is yourself that you're hurting. The shrieking comes from within, the shouting comes from your tongue, and the abusive language at times when we use it comes from here. So when you realize that, you feel okay, a time has come, you have to change these habits. It's not that you change these habits because you get more accepted by the people around you, because there are some things, बहुत बार मैंने देखा इधर उधर ना, अरे वो औरत के पास वो बहुत चिड़चिड़ा है दिल से, दे जस्ट ब्रांड. देन दिल से, अरे वो औरत के घर में ना बच्चों जब भी खेलते बोलते, अरे तुम्हारे गेंद अंदर गए तो वो बूढ़ी गुस्सर तुमको तुम्हारा बॉल वापस नहीं दूंगी, उधर खेलने को जाओ मत बच्चे में. They have a label for everybody, but why can't you improve? There's always a chance to improve. See, society is like a mirror. You do whatever you do, you get a name for that. If somebody is very good, they say, okay, you're very good. They acknowledge you if they're bad and all. But I've seen most of us have spoiled so many things in our life because of unwanted anger, uncalled anger. And sometimes with the mood swings, we stoop to such a low level that we are not bothered what we are saying, what we are talking, how is it going to have an impact on the person opposite us, or later on what will be the repercussion because of your blasting. So we never realize that, but somewhere it bounces back at you. Somewhere in life it bounces back at you, because if I have got to say, see, I said I was a very very angry person. There was a time where people were scared to approach me. There was a time when my own kin didn't want to talk to me. अरे उसके पास बात किया तो चिल्लाने को शुरू करते, उसके पास बात किया तो ना वो बहुत she starts shrieking and she's not very manageable and all that. But later on I realized that lot of people were avoiding me because of my anger. And as I grew up in the sense, as I was aging, I have completely given up the anger factor. So a humble request to all out there, whatever were your shortcomings and whatever thing, there always comes a time when you have to, it's no, I don't say that you repent for what you do. I say that you improvise on it, or you improve upon it, and you give up what is not needed. So one more thing I have commonly observed is the gossip part, which does a tangible damage in the lives of lot of people. Okay, even when we 10 ladies sit on a table, it's common that when the 11th person doesn't come, all 10 people tend to talk about the 11th person when the 11th person is not there. But one day when you're not there, you will be the 11th person where the 10 people will be talking. That's a common thing. So as far as possible, keep away from gossip. There are so many unwanted gossip which we do, ऐसे चुटकी बजा के बातों बातों में हम कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं, बट लेटर ऑन वो जाके किधर तक पहुंचेगा, बाद में किसके ज़िंदगी के ऊपर उसका असर कैसा पड़ेगा, आगे उस असर के वजह से जिस आदमी के बारे में हमने सोचे बिना भला बुरा भला उस आदमी के ज़िंदगी में कितने रुकावटें आएंगे. वी नेवर थिंक अबाउट दैट. So gossip is one more thing I think which has to be given up. I think बोलते हैं ना, गप्पे मारे बिना औरत जी नहीं सकते. The gossip is the lifeline for all women. It's not that probably at times I think we are a little nosy, you know. We try to think more about what the other person is doing rather than thinking of what you can do, no. We always say, see, bhale though there are some ladies I've seen in so many parties and all, you know, they dress like so snazzily out of their way with heels and a deep blouse with all that nadha and jhumke and all that and all that. And when the other person walks in similarly dressed or similarly accustomed, I mean this lady will have the cheek as, अरे देखो कैसे तितली जैसी बन के आई है. ऐसे बन के आने का उसका उम्र है क्या, उसका उम्र का लिहाज नहीं है क्या, बड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं, पोते हैं, और देख कैसे तितली जैसे आ रहे बेटे. बट you are also dressed in a similar way. So dress is everybody's individual choice. How you want to dress, how you want to present yourself, what you want to wear, how much you want to display. I mean dressing is everybody's individual sense or right. So I think the other person doesn't have a need to come in. So if me, I would always, as mentioned earlier, I was a tomboyish type and also I would prefer to be in very comfortable clothes. But likewise the person next to me would not like to be like that. She would like to be dressed at her best and she would like to think, बट इट इज़ द कम्फर्ट. जब भी मैं मेरे दर्जी के पास जाती हूँ और कोई कपड़े देती हूँ, बोला मैडम क्या पैटर्न बनाऊँ, भैया कुछ पैटर्न नहीं, मेरा सर उसके अंदर जाने का है और इधर जिप इधर नाड़ा वो सब मत लगाओ, उतना डालने का भी तो पेशेंस नहीं रह गया और उतना लाड़ा बीड़ा सजाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मेक इट सो कम्फर्टेबल. और भी पैटर्न भी ऐसा करो तो सब ऐसा ढीला नहीं चाहिए, तो किधर भी हम जावे और किधर भी हो जो किधर अटक के हम लोग गिर गए. And also that is my concept of dressing. My dressing is of comfort. Okay, if you have another person, her attitude or her idea of dressing is they're wearing something snazzily, like you know, इसको ये चाहिए उसको ये चाहिए, इधर accessories उधर accessories, matching में. It is her choice. So I always, you know, a small word to all you friends over there. Let us try to appreciate what the other person is doing. Let us try to be more cordial towards our fellow people who are thing. And nowadays I think most of us, you know, that we have stopped the habit of appreciating. अरे सुबह से सात तक अपनी ज़िंदगी देखो, एक दिन के लिए तुमने किसी को अप्रिशिएट किया है. अगर तुम किसी को देखा और अप्रिशिएट करने का या उसके बारे में कुछ अप्रिशिएट करने का मन हो तो मैं क्यों करूँ बोल के यू कीप बैक. बट the more you are liberal with your appreciation towards the opposite person, the more that person will find you acceptable. अरे एक पल के लिए अगर किसी के मुंह के ऊपर हम लोग कुछ अच्छा बोल के उसके ऊपर एक थोड़ी सी हंसी उनके पास आ गई, तो एक दिन किसी के मुस्कुराहट के कारण अगर हम बन जाए तो क्या दर्ज है उसमें. We never think about these things. We just don't think about these things. अरे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें लिहाज रखती है. देखो कोरियर देने को कोई घर पे आ गया तो अरे पूछो भैया पानी चाहिए कुछ चाहिए बोल के. डू वी हैव दैट कर्टसी? नो. कोरियर वाले ने बोला तो नीचे वॉचमैन के पास दे के जाओ बोल के. इन्विटेशन देने को अभी तो यू नो द सोसाइटी इज बिकम सच, नोबडी वांट्स एनीबडी इनसाइड योर हाउस यार. I've seen when I go to give invitation somewhere, I know that the person is in the house, but when I call this, मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ यहाँ, उधर नीचे वॉचमैन है तो वॉचमैन के पास दे के जाओ. Like you know, people don't want, and why do you need a home if you don't want people to come inside? So I mean, these are small little traits. I think over the years, if you could improve, you would be more at peace. सोचो अगर कोई सहेली तुम्हारे घर में आने वाली थी और तुम बोलो वॉचमैन के पास, तो बाद में वही ना हमको दिल में मन में खाते जाएगा, अरे यार वो आई थी ना, घर तक आई थी ना, मैं ऊपर नहीं बुला सकती थी ना, मैं बाद में वो सोच आएगी. तो उसके पहले क्यों सोचना है. इसलिए मैं बोलती ना, बेटर लेट देन नेवर. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हमारे ज़िंदगी में सुबह से रात तक होता है, अगर उसमें थोड़ा सा बदलाव लाने के लिए हम अपना प्रयास करें तो the world will be a better place to live for us and for everybody. और एक चीज़ मैंने हमेशा देखा है, जो गाड़ी चलाता है भले वो आदमी हो या औरत हो, कोई when you driving a vehicle or riding a vehicle, somebody comes on the road, you start गालियाँ देने को शुरू करते हैं, माँ बहन कुछ भी बोलते जाते हो, you keep on abusing them and then your mind gets frustrated, then बाद में gear change करते हो, ऐसे करके गाड़ी घुसा के लेके जाते हो. क्यों? why this anger? तुमको तुम्हारा चिड़चिड़ापन, तुम्हारा गुस्सा, तुम्हारा गाली जो तुमने उस सवार को दिया था, क्या उसने सुना? वो उसने तो नहीं सुना, उसको तो कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं, वो अपने आप अपना रास्ता पकड़ के गए. बट वो फर्क हमको पड़ने वाला है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू शाउट अगेन इट इज़ यू हु आर शाउटिंग, यू आर यूजिंग बैड वर्ड्स. उसको नहीं सुनाई देगा. अगर गाड़ी में तुम्हारे साथ और कोई है तो वो गाली उनको सुनाई देगा, भले वो गाली उनको ना हो पर सुनना पड़ेगा उनको. सो ये भी ना, जो ड्राइविंग के टाइम पे all of us, men and women, cursing people, all that thing, I think high time we stop all these things, छोटी चीज़ है, उनको सुनाई नहीं दे. I always feel bad because when I'm going with somebody and something happens and that person starts screaming and shouting and using abusive language, अरे मेरे को बाजू में बैठ के सुनना पड़ेगा या भरा किसी को सुना? मैं तो सुना ना, मेरे सुनने की ज़रूरत है. वो गाली जो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, वो किसी सवार पे चिड़चिड़ा हो रहा है और वो गाली मैं बाजू में बैठ के सुनो. So everybody goes through this phase. So little things which rouses anger within us, little things which swings our mood. A common phrase is abhi I have mood swings, or small things which results in irritability for us, or certain things if you could nip it in the bud, I think a life would have been more comfortable. Yes, I have tried all these things, because you might be finding me now a very sober and calm personality, but I was never like this. Over the years, I realized that yes, better late than never. High time I change myself. I change my perceptives towards life. I have done it. Why can't you all do it? Thank you.